Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 16. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, choose while using the app and allow. Lastly, hit got it in the pop-up, and when you're ready, you can finally close Launcher app. Now, in order to apply it, click on Settings, select Apps, tap on Default Apps, and Home app. Lastly, just select iOS Launcher to apply it, and tap on Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, just go into the same settings and tap on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!